Stripping the outer sheath. Insert the optical cable into the boot. Use diagonal pliers to cut the optical cable from the middle, and remove the sheath. Cut off the extra sheath of the optical fiber. Processing the optical fiber. Use the coating stripper to strip off the coating by a fixed length. Clean the stripped fiber and verify that the stripped fiber is intact. Open the fiber cutter and the case for storing the cut fiber, and push out the knife edge. Rotate the orange turntable to align the 1.2 mm channel with the slot. Clamp the optical cable into the fixed length tool. Place the fixed length tool on the fiber cutter and cut the fiber. Installing the optical fiber connector. Install the matching piece at the optical cable stripping point. Ensure that the lock of the optical fiber connector is in the on position. Push the optical cable into the main body until it reaches the end. Push the lock up to off to clamp the fiber. Screw the boot. Install the SC housing to the main body. Disassembling optical fiber connector. Remove the SC housing. Unscrew the boot. Push the lock to on. Remove the cable.